sa freelancing?
Kung pinapanood mo ang video na to, gusto mong matuto, manood ka.
Alam ko gusto mong matuto, kaya tutok na. Punta ka sa Indeed.com. Kaya ipapakita ko sa iyo yung mga kumpanya na naghahanap ng mga empleyado. To apply, hit sign in. Create an account either using your Google, your Apple, or just simply type in email address and then hit continue. Once logged in, you can already start searching for jobs. If you have particularly job preferences or job locations, you can type it in here. But since remote ang hinahanap natin, just click it and basically type in remote. There.